Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So in our today video, we will be providing you the information regarding how you can excel yourself in the field of artificial intelligence, machine learning, deep learning, and different newly launched technology. So we will be talking in this video about different courses. There are 5 courses which are provided by the big companies like Microsoft, Google, then different company. In this video we will be talking to you in detail how you can go and apply for these courses, and what is the basic requirement, and what is your preferred requirement for these certification. So first of all, these certification are free of course. You can go and just apply for it. Just you have to subscribe to our channel for getting this amazing updates from ourselves. Now it now I get a stats that 93% of our viewers have not subscribed our channel. So please subscribe our channel for getting this amazing update. Like and share the video to those whosoever is looking for this amazing certification to upskill its resume from the crowd. And before starting the video, make sure you have subscribed our channel, because we are participating in a challenge in which we will be completing 1K subscriber on YouTube in just 2 months. So provide some love and support to our channel by just subscribing to it. If you have any doubt, you can just comment to this video. Now let's move to our certification. So this is our first certification, which is provided by Google AI. So Google is not a small brand, it is like a big company, and its certification in your resume definitely increase your chance to be selected in any company. So be inspired to build with the Google AI. So I will be providing all the required links in the description box. Just you can go and check it out. Now, now there are different artificial intelligence topics you can go, and then you can solve different lab. Now take advantage of our AI stack. Yeah, you can go and just click on get started, then you can apply for the then you can start your campaign with a big brand like Google. Now customize and tune models. So there are different models for the AI to be make human beneficial. So you can go and check it out. Now how to start your learning with Google, just click on get started, and you will be transferred to this like of interface. Let it be loaded. So you will be transferred to this like of interface, in which you will be get some basic tutorial document, and you will be provided this like make you be familiar with how the how the artificial intelligence works. So you can go and check it out this. And now we will be moving ahead with our second certification, that is provided by the Microsoft with the companion with the GitHub. So it is AI for beginner. So AI for beginner, a curriculum. So in this you get different technology beneficial, like you will be taught about Azure machine learning, Microsoft Fiber, Azure Databricks, build and operate with machine learning solution with the Azure machine learning. Now this different topic will be taught in this certification. Now there are provided the lesson link from where you get the basic tutorial. Then you will be provided with the software or platform in which you will be performing all the required lab. So these are the link of your lab. Just click on the lab link and you will be transferred to this type of interface. So basically might be my net will be slow, that is why it's not loading. Now moving back. Now I hope you will get the some knowledge of this, how you can start artificial intelligence. Now moving towards our third certification, that is provided by uh, whether built university prompt engineering for ChatGPT. So it is a Coursera where you get different courses for your upskilling. So just click on this link and you get started with your upskilling, and you get a shareable certificate which you can provide this certification on LinkedIn, or you can get it on your resume or different social media platform. Just tag our Vashisht Techie in that, so you will be get benefit of that. And now there are 7 assignments which will definitely boost your confidence on artificial intelligence. Now it is a beginner level 18 hour of code that is sufficient for you to uh, learn intermediate level of the artificial intelligence. Now flexible schedule. Now whenever you want, you can go and check it out. Now there are different topics that are listed. Now moving ahead with our third certification, that is provided by Penn University uh, of Professional, whatever. So it is a 1 month course. It is again beginner friendly. So just click on start here. Then you get this course free of course. Now there will be again a certificate for you. Now now most of these certifications are provided by big MNC or a big brand in the education, like different university. That means that you will be taught like advanced level of artificial intelligence, machine learning and big data. So you can go and check it out. Now these are the main topic in which you will be taught in this course. Now you can you can read this review for your benefit. Now moving ahead, our third certification is provided by UC Davis. So it will again a 12-hour certification, which is a beginner level certification and flexible schedule. Whenever you feel a need of artificial intelligence certificate, you can come here and click on enroll start here and get this certification free of cost. Now again there are 5 assignments which will definitely boost your confidence on the certification. Now there will be shareable link which can you share at different social media platform. And the Coursera certification make your profile like a pro profile, and which definitely have a eye-catching impact on the HR or any company hiring. So it will be good for you to participate in this certification. Now these are the basic topics which you will tell. Now you can review, read different review that this course is very engaging and exciting. So instructor that motivate me to learn more about this subject. Now you can also know about who will be taught this, who will be teaching this courses for you. Now this is all about 5 certification. If you have any additional doubt that we left in this video, just you can comment to this comment to our video, and we will be happy to sort out all your doubt. Like the video and share the video to those whosoever is looking for this tech giant certification. And moving ahead, that we are participating in a challenge in which we will be completing 1K subscriber on YouTube in just 2 months. So provide some love and support to our channel. And repeating that our 93% of reviewers are not subscribing our channel. So kindly subscribe our channel for getting this amazing update from ourselves. And we are first on YouTube to be provide this type of content. Now this is all about this video. I will catch you in my next video. Till that, thanks for watching. Have a good day.